7 Perfect Peanut Butter Nutrition Facts. 1. Good source of protein. Peanut butter is a rich source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. 2. Healthy fats. Peanut butter contains healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. 3. Vitamins and minerals. Peanut butter is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. 4. Fiber content. Peanut butter contains dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps promote a feeling of fullness. 5. Antioxidant properties. Peanut butter contains antioxidants, such as resveratrol, which can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. 6. Energy boost. Peanut butter is a calorie-dense food that provides a good amount of energy, making it a great choice for active individuals. 7. Nutrient-dense. Peanut butter is packed with nutrients, making it a convenient and tasty way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet. Remember to consume peanut butter in moderation, as it is high in calories. Additionally, be mindful of any allergies or sensitivities to peanuts before consuming peanut butter.